Have you ever wondered what really happens if you fall into a black hole? Do you get crushed? Do you vanish forever? Or maybe, do you time travel? Sounds crazy, right? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand black holes in a way that's simpler and cooler than you ever imagined. First, let's fix a common myth. A black hole is not a hole in space. It's actually a place with gravity so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. That's why it's completely black. You can't see it, but it's definitely there. Think of it as an invisible monster with supergravity. So, where do these monsters come from? Imagine a star, 10 to 20 times bigger than our sun. When it runs out of fuel, it collapses. The outer layers explode in a supernova, but the core, it gets crushed into a tiny, dense point. That point becomes a black hole. At the center of a black hole is something called a singularity. That's where all its mass is packed into an infinitely smaller space. Around it is the event horizon, the point of no return. If anything crosses this line, light, matter, even time itself, it can never come back. Here's the weird part. We can't see them directly, but we can see what they do. Black holes bend the light, pull gas and the stars around them, and heat up nearby matter. In 2019, scientists used telescopes across the world and captured the first image of a black hole. It looked like a glowing ring with a dark center, just like science fiction, but real. Now imagine you fall into a black hole. From the outside, it looks like you're slowing down and freezing at the edge. But for you, time feels normal and you fall straight in. That's because black holes distort time itself. Here's something wild. As you fall in, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. You get stretched into a long, thin shape. Scientists call this spaghettification. Sounds funny, but it's very real. If the black hole is small, you'd be torn apart quickly. But if it's supermassive, you might not even feel it until it's too late. Nope, there's no black hole anywhere near Earth, and they don't just go around sucking things in. If the sun was replaced with a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting it, just in the dark. Some theories say black holes might be wormholes, shortcuts to other parts of space, or even other universes. Sounds cool, right? But so far, it's just theory. We've never seen one. Still, black holes could help us unlock the secrets of time, space, and maybe even reality itself. Black holes are not just weird science stuff. They're part of the life cycle of stars. They may have helped shape galaxies, including our own Milky Way. In fact, at the center of most galaxies, there's a supermassive black hole, including ours. So here's what we learned. Black holes are not holes, but invisible objects with crazy gravity. They can stretch you like spaghetti, slow down time, and maybe even open doors to other dimensions. And guess what? We've barely scratched the surface. The universe is full of mysteries, and this is just one of them. If you enjoyed this, drop a like to support the channel. I'll be making more simple and powerful videos like this about science, self-growth, and smart living. So hit subscribe and let's explore the universe together. Comment below, what should I explain next?